Origins and escalation. The war on drugs, a term coined in the 1970s, represents a global campaign led by the US government to combat illegal drug use, distribution, and production. It began with a focus on reducing drug-related crime and addiction within the United States. Over time, it expanded to include international efforts aimed at disrupting drug supply chains. The Nixon administration significantly increased federal funding for drug control agencies. This era saw the implementation of stricter drug laws and harsher penalties for drug offenses. The focus shifted from treatment and prevention to law enforcement and incarceration. Unintended consequences. Despite decades of effort and billions of dollars spent, the war on drugs has yielded mixed results. Drug use rates have fluctuated, but overall, the availability of illegal drugs remains widespread. The aggressive enforcement strategies have led to mass incarceration, disproportionately affecting minority communities. The criminalization of drug use has created a lucrative black market, fueling violence and corruption. Drug cartels and criminal organizations thrive in the shadows, profiting from the high demand for illegal substances. The war on drugs has inadvertently strengthened these criminal enterprises. Alternative approaches. Many experts and policymakers are now advocating for alternative approaches to drug control. Harm reduction strategies, such as needle exchange programs and safe injection sites, aim to minimize the negative consequences of drug use. These approaches prioritize public health and safety over punishment. Drug policy reform is gaining momentum in many parts of the world. Some countries have decriminalized or legalized certain drugs, focusing on regulation and taxation rather than prohibition. These reforms aim to reduce crime, generate revenue, and improve public health outcomes. The path forward. The war on drugs has proven to be a complex and multifaceted issue with no easy solutions. A more nuanced and evidence-based approach is needed to address the root causes of drug use and addiction. This requires a shift in focus from punishment to prevention, treatment, and harm reduction. Open dialogue and collaboration are essential to finding effective solutions. By learning from past mistakes and embracing innovative strategies, we can create a more just and equitable drug policy that prioritizes public health and safety for all. The future requires a commitment to compassion, understanding, and a willingness to challenge conventional wisdom.